Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Scrape away any loose bits with a wooden or silicone spatula so the next steps work. Fill the pan with hot water until the char is submerged and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap breaks surface tension and helps lift oils. Let the pan soak for 20 to 30 minutes so the carbon softens and weakens. Once done, drain most of the water but keep the pan wet. This prepares the surface for targeted cleaning without scratching. You'll apply a baking soda paste to lift the remaining char and use mechanical action carefully. Mix 1 part baking soda with 1 part water into a paste and smear it across the charred areas. Baking soda is mildly alkaline and helps loosen carbon. Scrub with a non-abrasive pad or fine stainless steel wool using circular motions. Pressure, not harsh tools, avoids damage. If the residue is stubborn, put the pan on low heat for 5 minutes. You're finishing up. Thoroughly rinse the pan with hot water to remove paste residue, then dry it immediately to prevent water spots. Wipe a few drops of cooking oil and buff to restore shine and a protective layer. If thin char remains, repeat the paste and heat cycle once more, and consider a white vinegar rinse to dissolve mineral streaks. If you encounter pitting, warped metal, or persistent discoloration, stop and check the manufacturer's guidance before using stronger abrasives. This prevents irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.